Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your second week of October read, start from the 8th through the 14th of October 2021. This reading is going to be for the sign of Cancer. So let's see what is coming up for Cancerians for this week time. I will be adding messages from your person, plus along with that we will be taking oracle cards as well, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the signs and messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out the other services that I offer as well in the description box. So Cancerians, let's see how this week is going to be for you guys. Let's begin. The High Priest. I feel like, you will be getting a lot of guidance from the heavens in this week time when it comes to all areas of your life. Be open to receive the messages, signs coming from the divine. Plus, I feel like you will be having some sort of synchronicity coming up for you in your life as well. Whatever you desire, you will be always on the right time at the right place. Basically, this week time, I feel like everything is going to be working out well for you. You will be having a lot of coincidences happening in this week time. If there are things that you are that you really unaware of, they will be revealed to you. Maybe you are going to hear some secrets of some people around you as well, especially if you need to hear those secrets. So I feel like the divine is going to be helping you a lot to see the picture clearly, so you know what to do next and how to go about your life next. So I feel like intuitively you are going to be heightened as well. So make sure you listen to your inner knowing more than anything else in this big time. Let's see more cards here. Wow, the universe is definitely going to be guiding you towards your wish fulfilled life. Again, make sure you don't miss out on any sign that you receive this time. Be receptive to to get messages coming from the divine. Maybe if you if you are in a situation where you need guidance, I would definitely recommend you to when you wake up in the morning or when you sleep at night, make sure you make a prayer where you seek guidance from the heavens. The guidance will be given to you. Whatever it is that you desire, something in love, work, or home life situation, whatever it is, make sure you seek guidance. Make sure you make that prayer before you fall asleep. When you wake up in the morning, say thank you to the God that you believe in for giving you the guidance that you needed. Whether you have received the guidance yet or not, just give thanks to that. And go about with your day as you would do, and be open to receive signs coming from the divine. You will have so many things happening in this week time which are basically bringing you the kind of life that you desire. So be open to that, follow your God, follow the ideas coming up in your mind at random times. Make sure you don't miss out any information. So just be open to that. Let's see more cards here. Wow, I feel like this week is going to be overall a very beautiful week for you. You might be feeling very positive. You might be feeling a lot of happiness all around you. Maybe the people, the situations that you are going to be dealing in life in this week time, they all are going to attract a lot of abundance, happy times in your life. If there is a party being thrown by your friends and family, make sure you go there, because I feel like this week is week where you are going to attract a lot of attention as well. Especially if you are single, I would definitely recommend you to be out and about, because the vibe that you are having is very powerful, and you can have a lot of new friends coming up for you in situations like that. If you really want to attract more business, I would suggest you to be attending parties or get-togethers if you could, because that too is also going to bring you a lot of success in your work and career path. I feel like this week is definitely going to bring you success in one area of your life for sure. For some of you, it could be in love. For others of you, it can be in your work life. But I do see success coming up for you in this week time, and you are going to enjoy that, and you are going to be feeling very excited about it. Um, it's more like let's take more cards first. Wow, the Tower and Ten of Swords. It's more. It seems like You are going to be riding the wave of success in this week time, and maybe in recent times you might have ended situations, connections, jobs, um, and they ended in a very toxic way, where you felt kind of as if your life just got twisted in a bad way. They made you feel kind of as if you will never be happy again. But then this week shows up as a it's more like you sleep thinking worse about your life, and when you wake up in the next morning, all you start off your day with is good news, and some more good news. So that's the kind of week this week is going to be, where you are going to, like, the way things happen for you in recent times, where everything went bad, work, love, everything. This week is a game changer. It's like now is the time for you to rise and shine. And I feel like the people, the situations who left you for maybe you were having a hard time in your life. I feel like they will be making a U-turn towards you. Be that a specific someone, be that people that your friends maybe, if they had given up on you, or they had kind of stopped supporting you, they will be coming back towards you. I do see those energies as well. Last card for the street for Cancerians, the Magician. You are the Magician now. And I feel like everybody would want to be with you. I feel like if you are somebody who is working, I do see you as a very successful work person. You will be very appreciated for all that you do. You are going to have some sort of you know a jackpot hit kind of energy around you. Something is going to prove lucky for you in this week time. And it can be anything, but I feel like you are definitely striking some sort of good luck this week time for sure. And it's more like you are going to have the magic wand, and all will be happening so easily for you. Underneath the deck we do have, wow, Two of Cups. Wow. Let's take two cards from the middle of the deck for these two cards, for the Tower and the Ten of Swords. Wow. Let's see one more. If you are dealing with a situation in your love life where either you or your person refuse to give you the chance, or maybe you refuse to give your person a chance, I feel like you will be considering that offer again. um, for majority of you, maybe if your person refused to give you a chance, I feel like as you maybe if they refuse to give you a chance, maybe it was more about you yourself. Maybe you were not confident about yourself, and as you strike this good luck, maybe you're going to start feeling very good about yourself, and as you do so, your person will start picking up a vibe of you which is very magnetic, which they find very unable to resist. So I feel like something as a change within you, something as a change. I feel like it's going to be a miraculous change that you're going to experience, which is going to change it can be a coincidence happening for majority of you, where something good is happening, and it's more like it's going to change your world. It's going to change everything for you, and as it changes, it's more like you are going to see magic happening all around you. You are going to start seeing, like I said earlier, if something has ended, that situation, that person, that relationship, whoever, whatever that you left, which made you once feel very miserable because it was not satisfying you, or it was getting toxic for you to deal with. Now that situation too is going to reappear in your life, but where you have the upper hand in this situation. So I do see a past person who once ignored you, neglected you, rejected you. They too will be coming back towards you, considering the offer that you once made to them. Now it's up to you whether you want this person. Do you still love this person? Do you still wish to give this person a chance? Yes or no. It's going to be all dependent on you. If you want to give them a chance, go ahead. If you don't, your choice. But I do see a past person coming for another chance here. So yeah, let's see. But you will have other opportunities as well. I don't think that you are going to be like desperate to accept a past person or have a past person back. I don't see you desperate here. I do see the past person will be desperate to be with you now. So let's see, what are the message of your person? What is it that they want to say? I miss the feel of you next to me. So this person is now missing you and they want to feel you again. So I feel like, this person is definitely going to come back to you. Whoever it is that you left, maybe they rejected you, maybe they ended the situation, or maybe you rejected to be with them because of their toxic way of dealing with you, but now they want you again. So let's see, what else do we have for you for this week time? King of Autumn, compassionate, accomplished, charismatic, gifted. It can be you, it can be your person's energy as well. Be assertive when it comes to what you know is right. Everything going your way, a good person or a company to work for. I feel like, it's going to be a beautiful time for you overall. It applies to all areas of your life. Let's see more cards here. Let's see what else. I feel like, your people around you are going to be like, wishing to be a part of your life somehow. They are feeling like, you are that kind of compassionate and accomplished person. You are somebody who's gifted. I feel like, you are going to be getting lucky for sure this week time. Healer of emotion. This is the time to follow your heart and feel the fullness of your emotions. You may feel so compelled to nurture others that you forget to care for yourself. Flashes of intuition provide you with incredible insights. You or another person is a kind, tender-hearted, loving, and trustworthy friend. So again, it's the same message that I picked up with the High Priest there. I feel like, be open to receive some guidance coming from your higher self. Be receptive to the information. Be receptive to speaking up some signs coming from the heavens. Because I feel like, that's how you are going to be getting lucky this week time. Compassion again. Soften your heart with respect to the situation and all the people involved, including yourself. Now, if we talk about the past person, maybe you need to show some compassion to that person as well. But again, it's your choice, your call, but that's what I would suggest you seeing these energies. And especially if you believe that this person is now coming with something beautiful to offer, and maybe if you look at it from a different perspective. Maybe in the past, maybe you yourself were not feeling good about yourself. Maybe that's the reason why they were offering you nothing good. But now, since you value yourself, maybe they also are ready to see that value of you, and they are, ready to give you that value that you deserve as well. Look to your inner strength. You are stronger than you realize. I feel like, that's something which you are realizing in this week time as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week. If it helped you, to like, share, and subscribe. If you are willing to purchase any of the services that I offer, you can check the description box for the details on that. So yeah, till I do the next read for you guys, take care and bye-bye.